Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Spyder Carbide hole saw kit is probably one of the most versatile and efficient hole cutting tools on the market, perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts tackling various materials, from wood and plastic to metal and tile. In this video, we will deep dive into its features, performance, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right addition to your workshop. Number 5. DEWALT 14-piece hole saw kit, D180005. This 14-piece kit makes cutting precise holes easier than ever. It's perfect for various applications, saving you time and effort. The C-clamp design ensures quick changes and secure clamping without damaging your work surface. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use. It features an alignment window and taller bushings for accurate hole placement and straight cuts every time. Say goodbye to misaligned holes. It comes with 2 adjustable bushings to accommodate various door thicknesses and backsets. It's adaptable to many different jobs. The included pilot point bits help guide the hole saw for smooth, clean cuts. This ensures a professional finish on every project. This kit includes everything you need for quick and accurate hole cutting. It's a must-have for any serious DIYer or professional. What we like. This kit ensures precise drilling without surface damage, thanks to its innovative clamping system and alignment window. If you need accurate hole placement and work with various door thicknesses, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike who value precision and efficiency. What people say. The materials are top-notch, as expected from DEWALT. The case keeps everything in place really well. Hole saws themselves performed well. Very sharp and stayed that way through initial hardwood holes. No issues with threading. Case was very nice. Used DEWALT hole saws for years, have had the least amount of issues with their release systems. The case itself is actually quite nice, and keeps all the bits fairly snug with minimal rattling. Number 4. Greenlee 660 Hole Cutter Set. This 6-piece set makes cutting holes quick and easy. It's perfect for various metals and materials. The innovative quick change arbor lets you switch cutter heads in seconds. Just push a button for effortless changes. It cuts accurate holes from 7/8 inch to 2 inches. You'll get consistently precise results every time. A flange stop prevents you from drilling too deep. This protects your work and ensures clean cuts. The carbide-tipped cutters are built to last. They provide long life and superior performance. This complete set includes everything you need: cutters, arbor, hex key, and a sturdy case. You'll be ready to tackle any project. What we like. Quickly switch between cutter heads with its 1-button system, saving you valuable time. The flange stop prevents over-drilling, and the durable pilot drill ensures accurate starts. If you're a professional working with various metals and need speed and precision, this kit is for you. What people say. I got this to cut a series of 2 holes through 1/8 tough steel plate, using a handheld power drill in an awkward location. It took a while to cut, using plenty of cutting oil and going slowly, but made consistent, clean holes time after time. The bit still looked great after 15 or so holes. The pilot drill cuts quickly, although I found it was even faster if I first drilled a 1/8 guide hole. The rim that keeps the bit from punching all the way through the hole is genius. Makes it way easier to finish the cut, because you do not have to worry about the bit plunging through and damaging whatever's behind your hole. I have been struggling with cutting holes in stainless steel sheet metal and kegs until I purchased this set. Works better than I could imagine. Have only used in a drill press but have cut around 20 holes with the 2-cutter and it continues to perform well. We install fire suppression systems in commercial kitchen hoods and have to drill several holes in stainless steel. This hole saw kit from Greenlee lasts for several installs before needing to be replaced. The Quick Connect feature works flawlessly, changing out different size hole saws in seconds. Number 3. Meric TCT Hole Saw Set. This comprehensive kit contains 10 hole saws, ranging in size from 5/8 inch to 2 to 1/8 inches, perfect for various projects. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use. You'll receive 10 hole cutters, 10 pilot drill bits, and a hex key, providing everything you need to get started. The variety of sizes ensures you're prepared for any job. They're made from high-quality tungsten carbide, making them incredibly durable, rust-proof, and long-lasting. The advanced design ensures fast, precise cuts. These hole saws cut through a wide range of materials, including stainless steel, metal, and even plastic. Remember to use coolant for continuous high-speed drilling. It's easy to use with handheld electric drills or other drilling machines. The included pilot drill bit is detachable for added convenience. We're dedicated to providing excellent customer service. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us, we'll respond within 24 hours. What we like. This kit offers a wide range of sizes to handle various projects, and its durable carbide tips ensure long-lasting performance. The simple design makes it easy to use for both beginners and experienced users. If you need versatility and durability for various materials, this is the kit for you. What people say. The product is as advertised and was delivered when promised and in good condition. I have only used one a couple times so far but am really impressed. I have some pins on a loader that I would expect to be really hard steel. Well, they were mushroomed over from someone beefing them in and the grease zerk would not come out. I used the 5/8 and it cleaned the hole out in no time. I forgot to check what speed my drill was on and it was in second gear, so it spun a little fast, smoked a little, but the saw is still sharp as new. These work great. So far I have used these bits a handful or times for my dimple dies and there doesn't seem to be any damage in the cutting edges. As with any hole saw cutters, make sure you use cutting oil and always drill at the recommended speed for the hole size, and these should last a long time. Number 2. Milwaukee 49-22-4105 Hole Saw Kit. This 19-piece kit is designed for the professional electrician. It's built to make your job easier and more efficient. It's ice-hardened for a longer lifespan than other hole saws on the market. You'll get up to 50% more life out of it. The Matrix 2 bimetal teeth provide superior durability and a longer service life. This ensures consistent performance, cut after cut. Its positive rake angle design ensures fast cutting. You'll get the job done quickly and easily. The radius tooth back and deeper gullets reduce stress and allow for fast chip removal. Plus, the functional slot geometry makes removing plugs a breeze. It's manufactured in the United States, ensuring the highest quality and standards. You can trust in its reliability. What we like. This kit boasts exceptional durability and longevity, outlasting competitors thanks to its ice-hardened construction. The fast-cutting design ensures efficient work. If you prioritize durability and speed, and need a kit that will last, this is the one for you. What people say. So far, I've used these saws to cut holes in plastic, drywall, and red oak. Minding speed for material being cut, the results have always been outstanding. I've had opportunity to chuck the saws in both a 18V cordless drill and a 16.5 drill press with no problems. This kit provides a great range of sizes and these guys stay sharp. Very nice case set up wisely, which conserves room yet still makes each of the saws easily accessible. The hole saws and arbors are top-notch, and they even include replacement bits for the pilot holes. Number 1. Spyder 14-piece hole saw kit. This comprehensive kit is perfect for any DIY project. It comes with everything you need to get started, right out of the box. It features a patented universal arbor system, enabling you to enlarge existing holes or cut at various angles with ease and precision. This kit is incredibly versatile. It can cut through a wide range of materials, including wood, brick, fiber cement, cellular concrete, and plastics. Switching between different sized blades is quick and easy. Just press a button to change blades in seconds. The kit includes 14 pieces and all necessary accessories. You'll be ready to tackle your next project immediately. See how effortlessly it cuts through various materials. It's the perfect tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. What we like. This kit's patented arbor system allows for angled cutting and enlarging existing holes. The blades easily switch out for different sizes. If you need versatility for various materials and cutting angles, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. It has a single carbide tooth. Didn't look like it could possibly work, went great, cut fast and a wide swath of wood away, leaving plenty of room for the core to be ejected easily as the tool is designed to do. The results have been near perfect and time efficient in use. The hole size themselves are second best to the Milwaukee Carbide, big dog. But them nasty expensive. And these are 90 to 95% of that efficiency. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.